बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मदिन नबील उम्मी व अला आलिहि वसल्लम तस्लीमा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम dear students. Today we are here with a new test. Spectral lines emitted in given figure will lie. Now look at the figure. This is the figure. Okay. The spectral lines emitted in given figure will lie in which series? There are two lines. One is started from n equals to 5. The electron jumps from n equals to 5 level to n equals to 1 level. And in the second one, the electron jumps from n equals to 4 to n equals to 1. So whenever you have to recognize a series, what you all have to do, you have to look at the level, the ending level where it jumps. So as both of them jumps to the first level n equals to 1, so we must know that the first one is correspond to which series? Lyman, Balmer, Paschen or Fund. So the correct answer is Lyman series. You have to be very careful. Lyman series means n equals to 1. Magnetic levitation works according to one of the following laws: Faraday's law, Ampere's law, Ohm's law, Lenz's law. We all know that magnetic levitation is the process at which nowadays fast moving trains, the bullet trains, works. And the law which is the base of this phenomena is Lenz's law, because according to Lenz's law, the induced voltage, the induced field is always such that it opposes the source which generates or produced it. So the correct answer is Lenz's law. If Rydberg constant for hydrogen is RH, then wavelength lambda of first line in Lyman series is, we know that the formula for wavelength is 1 over lambda equals to RH 1 over p square minus 1 over n square. For the first line, the transition will happen between n equals to 2 level to n equals to 1 level. Okay. So here the value of p is 1 and this is 2. Okay. Both are in squares. So what will happen? This will be 1 over lambda equals to RH 1 over 1 minus 1 over 4. So the LCM is 4. 4 ones are 4 minus 1. This will be RH into 3 by 4. As this is 1 over lambda, therefore we have to invert it. When we invert it, we'll get 4 by 3 RH. So the first option is correct. 4 over 3 RH. Here again we have a transition and they are saying that this will give a spectral line in which series? Transition is from n equals to 7 to n equals to 3. So we can see that the electron jumps from the 7 to the third state. And this indicates that it will lie in Paschen series, because you have to remember that Lyman is n equals to 1, Balmer is n equals to 2, Paschen is n equals to 3, Fund is n equals to 5, and in between bracket is n equals to 4 bracket. The line spectrum of hydrogen contains the spectral lines in the region of infrared, yes. Ultraviolet, yes. Visible, yes. So all of these, yes, correct answer is all of these. The spectrum of hydrogen contains spectral lines in all regions, infrared to ultraviolet, and visible is definitely in between them. The radiation emitted by warm-blooded animals lie in the region of X-rays, infrared, ultraviolet, visible. So warm-blooded animals and human are like the same. We have very small radiations, and as they are very small means their wavelength is very high, very large wavelength. So the large wavelengths are found in the infrared, because infrared is that region which contains the wavelengths which are larger than the red light. So infrared is the correct answer. Radioactivity does not depend upon. Radioactivity is a natural process in which elements with atomic number greater than 82 disintegrate spontaneously. This is natural radioactivity. So it does not depend upon which temperature, initial number of atoms. It is very important, initial number of atoms. Time is also matters. Nature of material also matters. If it is radioactive, then it will disintegrate, otherwise it will not. So which one is irrelative? The temperature. Either there is summer, winter, autumn, spring, whatever it is, the radioactivity will continues. Okay, so temperature is irrelevant, leave it. Which photon carries the most energy? Green, red, violet, blue. From our electromagnetic spectrum, we knew that the energy of the violet light is maximum and that of red light is minimum, and green and blue lies between them, as we have an electromagnetic spectrum in which visible region is denoted by this VIBGYOR. V is violet, highest energy, then indigo, then blue, then green, yellow, orange and red. So this is maximum energy and this has minimum energy. So photon carries the most energy is violet. What happens in negative cycle of AC input? You can see there is a circuit in front of you and you are familiar with this circuit. This is Wheatstone bridge circuit, okay, which consists of 4 semiconductor diodes, D1, D2, D3, D4. Now when the current starts moving from this direction, okay, the question is in the negative cycle. You know that AC cycle is like this. This is positive one and this is negative one. First the positive cycle will come and then the negative one. As the question is about negative cycle, so we will deal with the negative cycle. We know that the diode conducts only in forward direction. Means when it is forward biased, it conducts. When it is reverse biased, it will not conduct. Okay. So when this negative signal will move, this one, this moves over here. Now here it has two options. It will go in this direction as well as towards this direction. Okay. When it reaches over here, this is negative side of D1, this is positive side of D1. So when it sees the negative signal, this signal is negative, so it allow, because semiconductor diode conducts in forward direction. So D1 will allow the current to pass through it. Okay, so D1 conducts. Then what about D4? When negative cycle will reach over here, this is the positive side of D4, so it will not conduct. Okay. Now when this negative cycle moves in this direction, because we are dealing with the AC, alternating current, so at the same time the positive cycle will move in this direction. Okay, positive is coming in this direction. When it reaches over here, it has two paths. One is this one and other is this one. Okay. When it reaches over here, the positive one, this is negative terminal of D2. It will not allow, no current. Okay. Here is no current. But when this positive reach over here with D3, this is the positive side of D3. So it will allow the current to pass through it. So for the negative cycle, who conducts? D1 and D3 conducts and D2 and D4 will not conduct. This is correct option.